Are you struggling to learn Python programming? In this video, I'll share 5 essential tips that will transform your coding journey and help you master Python faster than ever before. Tip number 1. Master the basics thoroughly. Don't rush through fundamental concepts like variables, data types, and control structures. A strong foundation will make advanced topics much easier to understand. Tip number 2. Practice consistently every day. Even 30 minutes of daily coding practice is more effective than marathon sessions once a week. Consistency builds muscle memory and deep understanding. Tip number 3. Work on real projects. Instead of just following tutorials, build something you're passionate about. Real projects teach you problem solving and how to debug effectively. Tip number 4. Learn to read documentation. The official Python documentation is your best friend. Understanding how to find and use information will make you a much better programmer. Tip number 5. Join the community. Engage with other Python developers on forums, GitHub, and local meetups. Learning from others and getting feedback accelerates your growth tremendously. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more programming content. Drop a comment below with your biggest Python challenge. I'd love to help you overcome it.